Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to use the Moneta Markets broker dashboard step by step. Once we enter our trading dashboard, in the left menu on the sidebar, at the top of the page you can see the name and logo of the broker. The next section is the main dashboard page. The next item is the account section, which is related to managing your accounts. In this section, you will see the promotional banner for the cashback bonus, which is a special offer for receiving a 50% cashback on your trades, and by clicking the Start Trading button, you start trading and activating your bonus. In the multi-factor authentication section, this message emphasizes that two-step verification is necessary for your digital currency withdrawals and wallets. By clicking the Enable Now option, you can activate authentication and secure your account. In the Live Account section, you will see a list of active and inactive accounts and filters that include the status of accounts. In this section, you can filter active, inactive, pending, and shadow accounts. The Trading Platform section includes MetaTrader 4 and 5 and copy trading platforms. It shows you, and by selecting one of these platforms, you can filter it. In this section, you can view the details of your trading account. The account status is inactive. Your account type is a direct STP account, and the deposit and trade button, which if your account is active, allows you to deposit and instantly recharge your account and proceed with your trades. And note that from the Open Account section, you are able to create a new trading account. And through this icon, it displays your trading accounts in a tabular format. The next section is related to funds, which pertains to your deposits and withdrawals. From this section, you can deposit into your account. From the deposit section and from the withdrawal section, you are able to make withdrawals. The next section is the Bitfinex account transfer, where you can transfer funds between your trading accounts and the Moneta Market broker. The next option is the transaction history, which pertains to the history of your transactions. The next and final part related to funds is related to payment details. In this section, you can view and review different payment methods. The next section is related to promotions, where you will see special offers and bonuses, and the cashback section, where you will see the funds returned after completing your trades. The next section is downloads, which is related to platforms and trading tools that allow you to download in this section. You will see the download of trading platforms on different operating systems in this section. The next option is related to the profile, where you can manage your personal profile information. From the My Profile section, you will see items related to personal details and verification, where we have already uploaded the documents and completed the identity verification process, and the security management option, which is related to the security of your trading accounts, including verifying your registration email address, password management, and two-step verification. The next section is the ProTrader platform, which provides you access to the ProTrader trading platform. And through the login option, you can verify your entry into this trading platform. The next option is ProTrader Tools, which introduces you to advanced trading tools in ProTrader, and the Market Widgets section, where you have analytical tools for various markets, like indices, forex, commodities, CFDs, and the crypto market. The last section is related to support, where you can contact the customer service and support team of Moneta Market broker. Returning to the trading dashboard, at the top of the page, you will see the deposit button, which we have explained in detail in the funds section, the language icon, and notifications can be seen. In the language section, by selecting your desired country, you can change the broker's language to that language. In the notifications section, you can view announcements and messages from the broker. These messages include deposit and withdrawal notifications and daily news. By clicking the tab, we close this page, and this section is your user profile, where you can manage your information and log out of your account. By selecting the Logout option, you completely log out of your account. In this video, we thoroughly reviewed the broker's platform, Moneta Market. And if you have any questions or if any part needs further explanation, ask in the comments and we will guide you. In future videos, we will examine more details about the broker Moneta Market together. Wishing you success and profitability.